fish, beluga whale,
Oh. C is for?
coral,
D is for?
dolphin,
E is for?
eel,
F is for? F is for?
flying fish.
Oh. Letter G. Letter G na. Go na. Letter G is for?
A goldfish,
H is for?
humpback whale,
I is for?
iceberg,
Iceberg. J is for?
jellyfish,
K is for?
killer whale,
L is for?
lobster,
M is for?
no mermaid.
Mermaid. How about this one? N is for?
Narwhal.
Narwhal. O is for?
Octopus.
P is for?
Bakit sila pikit lalo?
Oo nga, ito, this one. How about letter P? Letter P. What is letter P?
Puffer fish.
Q is for qua?
To.
Quaho.
Quaho.
R is for?
Ray.
S is for?
Sambarin.
T is for?
Turtle.
Turtle. U is for?
Starfish.
Huh? This one. U is for?
Spinal urchin.
Urchin. V is for? Vessel.
Vessel.
W is for?
Walrus.
X is for? Cepheus.
A.
Y is for?
Taco.
Yellow tongue. Z is for?
Indian.
Zooplankton. Zooplankton. Sabi mo nga.
Sultan. Sultan.
Zooplankton. Very good.